SNAB, where we aim to make A-level biology as simple as a cell. So today we're looking at understanding the concept of niche and be able to discuss examples of adaptation of organisms to their environment. And these include behavioral, physiological, and anatomical. So this is quite important for you to know because you will most definitely be asked what the definition of niche is. So an organism's niche is the role the species plays within an ecosystem, including how it uses resources and interacts with both biotic and abiotic factors. A niche includes the habitat in which the organism lives, the feeding relationships, so like what predators it's attacked by and what is the prey in the case of whatever organism you're talking about. So that's what feeding relationships discuss. Then you have abiotic conditions and behavioral patterns. So this is a very, very easy confusion that a lot of people have. So it's quite important for you to clarify now. But habitat is where the organism lives. It's the location. And niche is how it lives and survives in that habitat. So an adaptation is a characteristic that increases an organism's chance of survival and reproduction, has risen through natural selection, and is passed on genetically to offspring. So adaptations are really important as it allows organisms to exploit resources, reduce competition, and tolerate biotic conditions. And it also avoids predation, so increasing the chances of, so anything that increases the chance of surviving is an adaptation. So there are three types of adaptation you guys need to know. So you have the behavioral, physiological, and anatomical. So behavioral adaptations are actions or patterns of behavior that improve survival. So for example, you have nocturnal activity in desert mammals where they avoid high daytime temperatures and which helps them reduce water loss. So this is basically where they stay awake at night and then they sleep during the day. Then you have migration in birds. So this allows access to food and suitable breeding conditions seasonally. So a really good example is the Siberian cranes, where they migrate from Siberia to different parts of India. And then you have the territorial behavior. So this reduces competition for resources such as food or mates. Physiological adaptations. So these involve internal biochemical or metabolic processes. So some examples are production of concentrated urine in desert mammals. So this minimizes water loss. Then you have antifreeze proteins in polar fish. So this prevents ice crystals forming in the body fluids of the fish. And then you have photosynthesis in desert plants where the stomata are open at night. And this reduces water loss during gas exchange. Anatomical adaptations, so they are physical features of an organism's body. So some examples are having a large surface area to volume ratio in leaves, and this increases efficiency of photosynthesis and gas exchange. Then you also have thick fur or blubber in polar mammals, and this provides insulation and reduces heat loss. And the third example is long roots found in desert plants. So this allows it to access water further deep in the soil. So that is all from Professor SNAB today. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.